Another LeetCode medium level question, that is to find the minimum in a rotated sorted array where all the array elements are unique. And for this question you can easily think of the brute force approach, but as you can see the array is sorted and we need to solve it using log n time complexity, so we will implement binary search here. Okay, so starting with this example, we have 3 4 5 1 2. This will be the start pointer, this will be the end pointer, and here will be the mid element. First, what we will do, we will take an answer variable throughout this question just to compare the minimum values. Okay, now the next task is to identify which half is sorted, whether this left half is sorted or the right half is sorted, and whatever the sorted half is, suppose for this example this left half is sorted, 3 4 5, this half is sorted, so whatever the sorted half is, from that sorted half we will take the minimum value. In this case we will take this 3, compare it with answer, and we'll check from these two values which will be the minimum one, and whatever the minimum value is we will assign that value to the answer, right? And once after the work is done, we can simply ignore that part and move our start pointer from here to mid plus 1. Our start will be here then. If the right half is sorted, we will take this minimum value, we will compare it with the answer, and whatever the minimum value is we will assign that value to the answer variable again, right? And then after the work is done, we can simply ignore that part, and then adjust the pointers accordingly. So that's we have done in the code. We take our start and end pointers, we take a minimum variable just for the comparison part. Now we started the loop, we find out the mid element, and now we are checking whether the left half is sorted. If nums of start less than equals to nums of mid, we are checking whether the left half is sorted. If this condition is true, we will take the minimum value from the left half, that will be this nums of start. Okay, now we will check whether the minimum value is the minimum one or this start value is the minimum one, and whatever the minimum value is we are again reassigning it to the minimum variable, right? And work is done, we are simply ignoring that part by moving our start pointers to mid plus 1. If the left half is not sorted, then the right half is sorted. So if the right half is sorted, we are checking the minimum value to the mid variable, to the mid pointer variable value, and if this, and from these two values whatever the minimum value is we are assigning it to the minimum variable. And once the work is done, we are again adjusting our pointer, again adjusting our end pointer to mid minus 1, and that's how the loop will continue, and at the end we will be having our minimum value in this min variable, right? So at the end we can simply return this min variable. I hope you got the logic. If still you have any doubt, then watch this video again, you will get an idea. So that's it for today. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning.